Aku por waklat ke Belanda te. Ia berok sangut ya rak eksenduk cengka. Tang bopet mentah pada Friday. Kam no ke ceng cencar am. Tip syuk kan long kumna lah dah. Yap sama mana ni.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Hatu pindon am katong manlong kita kinong shed hagi hotel ane ki restaurant ki bapau. Hamokam hilapan pun orlong ki katong ko jongpi. Ke admission kelap play bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ke degree course ke diploma baga advanced diploma course.
Ka Nihu Students Union haka arpun rutrik jembang aja pun rio kala dawa yo pro vice chancellor jong ka school ba Nihu haka jingalang jong ka academic council bantau ya ka committee ka ban pinkre no ya ka syllabus la ni ka lendong puli na ka banta ka post graduate ka ba shisnam mi ki samla puli ki bala pendep ya ka 4 year undergraduate program. Haga jiang kram migla patai kubor Presiden Jong Nihu Su usamla yalam nanti markhab uloong ba kumki samla puli kidan ya kajingkermen haki bor penya jong ka skul ba Nihu bakin le no kham kloi ya kini kam khamtam andalawan u vice chancellor u bathmai.
Habi ada bat kumpulai keren ba ada bagi 4 years undergraduate program ka 4 years undergraduate program ka ada bat ka NEP te habi ada bat kane kumbala ong hi ba ki kena ki ba kwa ban continue sha kane ka 4 year undergraduate program ki den pendap ya ka third year berkataro ki den 120 credits kata kadai ka ba ki hab dan kam te kumta nakaleng jongi nila propose sha ka academic council meeting mene hapangi song to sai chairman provinsi ba ki ban constitute kamkulai no ya kata ka committee ban ya kren habi ade bat ka syllabus bat kumno dikre ya kata ka 1 year PG program na banta gitu ba la dep south nem te kata ka dei ka jingtarwa na kaliang jongi bat ngit scam ba na kaliang jongki kin le kamkulai habi ade bakane khnang begini khna ki bakwa ban continue bat ban pendep ya kane ka south nem ka yujungki kila ban late sa kane ka system PG course ki tangkatahi na kaliang jongi bat ngi kermen ba ki khna baro ki ba pule mentah ba ide ba affiliated college yang ki bedan hapo kane hu kimde ban ban sngeu ko kumno ki ban ya chakmat lada ki don gaman sim ban pule ya kata bat nakaliang kane hu scam ba kin kre hi ya kane ka PG course ka system bat ngi scam ba kini kisngi bangin yo VCU batamai bat ya kata gin sa penbej nandong shadong abade ba kena ngi nakaliang gajungi ni silkhia bat ngi kwa hi ba kanlong supli kena baro kamnom bu jinge yano ru bat ki jinge jongki college mo ka bangi ngi yo ingi de bi kren mene ha meeting hi long ba katum ka ordinance ka badan mo long ba kano ka college ka kwa ban continue ya kane ka degree ka ba 4 year rengkat bat ka research kidon kam minimum arngut ki PhD scholar ki bala ban supervise ki kena te habangi pej pat ki college ki beran hapo ki jala jungi ni iba kidang duna kita ki PhD scholar ki ba badan ki college ki bahikai te nakaliang jungi mene long hakatinya keren bat ki members hi nila apha saka saka meeting hi bangi ong ba kidon kam ban recruit ro ginang hikai ki ba ladan PhD mo ki bala ban supervise ki kena nang ba kini kena ki batmu ban le research ha kane ka 4 year ga jongki kila ban le khambha namar ba ka tahi ka jingthmu jong kane ka ban implement ek NEP ka objective jong ka he ka long ba tek ba kala ru ban inclusive ya baro ki kino ki kenja internship ani ki program ki ba ko abne Presiden ila ishay mo mani ka academic council long emergent academic council mentaus kesini apun tutri umi long haga jing sedang ka academic council dan kini ki external member ki bele ka online ki long ki mut ban pentot ki long kin mut ban pleng dan ngeleng jongi ki student union nila keren namar ba ngi ong ba ndai ban safari ki khamtam kini ka academic council belong menta kelong ba ki affiliated college dan ngi ngeleng jongi ni keren ni sat bet ba ong ba kini ke academic council ke ban long bai te hadin kata ke jingi keren nila kerpat ya ki member jong ka academic council ngi ong ba kini program ke ban ya biskmat ta halo kata chairman ula penyat biskmat te ke jingi keren himini kelong ba ban kelong bangi ban ai jingsha chi pet ba mo jong ka jalab ni khliahi ba kelong ba negaliang ka kini hu ka ailat di kena ban completed di ka third year jong ki di completed di ka third year jong ki kila ban one apply ha gani ga next jong ki nega benta pat jong ka fourth year jong ki college ki belong eligible kila ban apply ka taru ta ka tahi ki jingi kran
Mornings are always busy.
Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.